Elizabeth, welcome to Skydive Utah. So what brings you out here today?
Gonna jump out of an airplane.
How come? Are you crazy?
I think so.
Yep, well we got you dressed up in this tandem outfit, and I'm kind of thinking you are crazy, because that actually means you don't have your own parachute. You just get this danger sign back here and no parachute. What's going on with that?
I think I'm just gonna jump, you know, free fall.
Well, awesome. Whatever happens, I'll have this camera with me, so we'll see what happens.
Alright.
Alright, we'll see you up there, Elizabeth. Alright, Elizabeth.
If anything, it's probably laughing.
How was that skydive?
It was freaking awesome.
Awesome, huh? What do you think of that, Sam?
That was fantastic.
Nice. Well, thanks for going jumping with me and Sam at Skydive Utah.